Don't bite his tail.
The other day, but I said, I don't know if she gets put down enough.
Oh my God! Oh God!
What happened?
Lucy just swung in the swing.
Lucy did?
That's what I'm gonna do when someone tries to scare me. I'm gonna.
Eve! That's my volleyball! Well, got it on video.
Water's cold.
Casey, enough.
I'm gonna have to take your hair down.
There's a squirrel in her hair.
My cats were trying to eat it, and I went out there to grab it, and when I did, it climbed all the way on my back and dug into my hair.
It is definitely in there.